Hi, I'm John with WTI. You're looking for a new pair of boxer briefs? Now, I love these Volcom boxer briefs. They come in a 4-pack. Now, when I was younger, I used to be into skateboarding, so I've always loved Volcom. I've always loved all of their clothes that they've made. I've just found them to be very high quality. They last a long time, and these boxers are exactly the same. I've had 4 pairs for over 2 years now, and now I've had these other 4 pairs for a few months. They're nice and thin, they're breathable, and so you don't feel like you're wearing these big bulky boxers that are going to show through if you have pants on or shorts that are a little bit tighter. So I love wearing them if I'm out on a walk or if I go to the gym. Again, I don't feel like I'm getting all sweaty and the sweat's just kind of staying there. It wicks away the sweat really nice. So if you are looking for an excellent boxer brief, I highly recommend these boxer briefs by Volcom. You will not regret it. Again, I'm John with WTI, and that's my point of view.